Hi everyone, Debbe Daley here. I'm here today to talk to you about a couple of things that we have going on. I am actually starting up my newsletter again, which if you've been on my newsletter email list and you haven't heard from me, it's just been very busy here at Debbe Daley Design Studio. And I had a couple announcements to make, which obviously you probably already know that I teach interior design courses. I am an interior design professor at Middlesex Community College for Interior Design 101, as well as the Interior Design Certificate course. And through my private school, School of Interiors with Debbe Daley, I also teach a 5-day certificate course, and that is a private course that I teach in my teaching loft in downtown Lowell. And we have a design studio there where you get to practice hands-on training that you learn from the interior design manual that you get within the course. It is a 5-day course. It is 5 consecutive Wednesdays. And at the end of the course, you learn all about marketing your own business and how to start your own business. And we actually set you up by going on to your particular Secretary of State's website, get you set up there, try to get you set up as an LLC, and also obtain your sales tax certificate. That's a great course. You learn design theory. We go into real live client appointments. You learn about letters of agreements and photo release forms, and you start to network with the interior design community. We also do a field trip to the Boston Design Center, so you actually get to rub elbows with the design community, whether it be in the showrooms. You learn how to open accounts to the trade only, and that way you can start your interior design business. And a little bit of my background, if you don't know me already, I have more than 30 years experience in the interior design industry, from working in flooring, window treatments, owning my own workroom, wallpaper and paint, and with clients. I have a lot of repeat clients, and it's a fun industry to be in. And also, on the second part of that, my new book, which I've been trying to write for about 3 years, will be coming out this fall in October, and that is a given because I did hire people to help me with that. So that is actually going to be happening. If you're interested in getting on our email list for that, that is, you can go to ddaley at daileydesigns.com and email me, or you can go onto our website at daileydesigns.com, and there'll be a pop-up there that you can sign up for the book. And then we have something really special happening. Once you do take one of my classes, the certificate classes, you get an invite into our private Facebook group for interior designers. It's called Design for Today Collaborative, and you have to be vetted as an interior designer or a home stager. And I run that alongside of Marian Cherico, who is a business coach, a mindset coach for the home staging and interior design industry, as well as Wendy Woloschuk. And she is really well known in Western Massachusetts for interior design, as well as her processes, helping interior designers and home stagers with their processes in their business. So with that, we offer, if you do get accepted into our group, we offer workshops throughout the year, in-person workshops, which are recorded. So if you do get to take one of our workshops and you get to come, they're usually a 2-day workshop, you get the recording for free. And with that, we also introduce you to High Point Furniture Market, which is to the trade market, right? It's the largest furniture market in the world in High Point, North Carolina. And Wendy and I, this is our second time, we are offering a private tour to our Design for Today collaborative Facebook group. as well as any other designer or home stager who hasn't been to High Point Market and wants to go. And we give a private tour. It's an all-day tour. The spring market tour is April 2nd. And with that, we have already set up a schedule with different showrooms, and that can be anyone from lighting to home furnishings and accessories, to artwork, to the Antique and Design Center, to upholstery lines. And then we get to go to some parties that some of the showrooms are hosting for us as well. And it's an education. And you have to pre-register for High Point Market, but you can also register to go to our private Facebook Design for Today collaborative Facebook group tour with Wendy and I. So I think that's all I have for today. I am coming to you today from my interior design studio in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. And I am starting to do my newsletter, going back to my newsletter that I used to have when we had the furniture studio, where I'm going to be sharing lifestyle and design tips. And that will be anything from my favorite recipe of the month, or a specific decorating tip that you can do on your own, or if you want to take some interior design classes with me, you can do that through the college or through me personally at the schoolofinteriors.com. And I think that is about it for today. So anyway, I just wanted to say hey and tell you what's going on in our design world. And hopefully you will be able to join us at our High Point Market tour, or if you would like to ask me more questions about the interior design school. What's great about the class that I teach, or the course that I teach, so you can get into interior design, it's everything that you don't learn in a 4-year college. So the majority of my students are change of career women. There are some men that want to take their passion in interior design and turn it into a business. They are also women who have been a single mom and they're getting into this, and now that it's their time to do that. And the whole point of the classes are that you are learning the day-to-day workings and life of interior design, and how you can learn how to get your feet wet and also get a new appointment and get a new client, and how you can monetize your passion, right? That's what the new book is all about, monetizing your passion, taking your interior design love and passion and turning it into a business. And the book is basically all about that. And it's about the journey of the ups and downs of trying to get to where you want to be. And through life experience and working in the industry, and failures and the naysayers that say you can't do it, I'm here to show you and prove to you that you can do it, okay? And so that's what that is all about. So anyway, that's coming out in October. We have the High Point Market tour. In the newsletter, let me know what you think of it, because I'm getting back to my old ways and my old school newsletter that I loved before. Everything kind of got really crazy and really busy. And so I'm just trying to get back to that and bring all that good value to you, and so you can have a warm and beautiful and comfortable home that you would like to be in. So anyway, that's it for today. I just wanted to get on and say hey, and look out for the book, or send me an email, or go to our website and sign up for the emails for the book and the information on that, or our classes, or anything that you want to ask me. You can ask me and email me at ddaily@dailydesigns.com, and there you have it. So I wish you guys have a very good day, and have a great weekend, and we'll stay in touch and look for that email newsletter. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.